Greenville has added the remodeled Dodge Charger. Now, this has confused me a little bit, because they said they never had any real cars again. But obviously this car was in the process of being remodeled when that happened. But as you can see, the model name has been changed, but the photos haven't changed, obviously, as you can see by my garage. And I'm going to prove this is real, because if I spawn it in, it spawns the new one. Right. Now, I don't know why they decided to add this. Maybe they just was like, who cares? It's not got a new tag or anything, it's just been remodeled. I don't know. It's strange. I'm definitely going to keep this. This is sick. I want to go red eye. But if we go, you can see the model year has changed. Right. Maybe Greenville's just going to secretly remodel all the cars they think won't get removed. I mean, that's fine. But see if we go to Bullhorn, there we go. Right, so we have the 2023, the 2021, right? See, this is the 2021, still like the old stuff or whatever. This is the 2023, but all the icons haven't updated yet. So this is the one I bought. I don't know why. Oh, what's happened to the grill? There's no grill. But yeah, a lot of them have been remodeled, but the icons haven't. So I'm wondering whether they're going to change these at all. You can see, obviously the colours got changed a long time ago. But yeah, let me know what you think of the new Chargers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.